Hi guys, today I am going to take subject maths for statistics and graph. This main important topic I am just taking. Why I am just doing means there are passing marks are there. So definitely statistics you will get about 6 to 10 marks, 7 marks also. Then for graph also 4 mark questions are there. Statistics they will ask 3 mark, 4 marks questions for mean, median and mode and all. So that is what today I am going to explain. So I'm just explaining one of the question. Find the mean, median and mode for the following observation. So they will give for 3 marks question actually. So so first of all I would like to say about what is statistics. Statistics is nothing but it is just collecting the data and then analyzing and then interpreting and all. So how that interpretation, so finally we will achieve, so what are the different observations will come, what will happen, all that and all we can find it out. So here we are going to find out about mean, median and mode only. So let us say class intervals they given 1 to 5, 5 to 9, 9 to 15, then 9 to 13, 13 to 17, 17 to 21 and all. And then frequency also given 7, 2, 2, 8, 1. So this class interval maybe for any observation also. So first what you have to do is the question they will give like this. Instead of class interval they may give some other observation also, and frequency means how many times for this 1 to 5 is how many, 5 to 9 is how many, 9 to 13 how many. That is what we call this as frequency. Now second thing what you have to do is another you have to put another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns you have to put. If they are asking all the threes and all, then here class mark you have to write third column. Class mark is nothing but xi we call as that interval whatever are there, that is x. So x interval, that midpoint we are writing here. So midpoint means how to find out midpoint. Here 1 to 5 given. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 divided by 2. So that will give midpoint. 6 divided by 2 3 you will get. Like that 5 plus 9 14, 14 divided by 2 7 you will get. 9 plus 13 22, 22 divided by 2 11. So like that 13 plus this 30 you will get. 30 divided by 2 15 you will get. 17 plus 21 you will get 38. 38 divided by 2 19 you will get. So this is how you have tried the midpoint. And afterwards you have tried deviation. Deviation will mark it as di. That means for interval what are the deviation, because what type of deviation that data is all going, that is what you have to find out. So the deviation we have to formula is xi minus assumed mean. Assumed mean here I am taking it as, for this I am taking it as 11. Why I am taking it as 11 means assumed mean. That means see totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So in that 5, so I have to find out the middle one. So here 2 leave it, here 2 leave it. So 11 comes as middle. So what that midpoint that is coming, that only we have to take it as a assumed mean and all. So here 11 coming, so that is why 11 I am taking, that 11 you have to subtract. Xi already midpoint we have marked, so each and every midpoint value you have to subtract by 11. So 3 minus 11 you will get minus 8, 7 minus 11 you will get minus 4, 11 minus 11 you will get 0, 15 minus 11 you will get 4, 19 minus 11 you will get 8. So after this is over, then you have to find out ui for interval. Ui is nothing but what the deviation coming, that you have to divide by actually size of the class interval. What is the size of the class interval, how to find out? So here 1 to 5 is given. So 1 to 5 is suppose you want to find out the size of the class. So what is the last number? 5. 5 minus 1 how much you will get? 4. So everywhere you will get 4 only. 9 minus 5 4. 13 minus 9 4. 17 minus 13 4. 21 minus 17 4. So that is what that h actually. So that is size of the class interval. So that's why I am taking it as 4. So that you can, whatever the numbers are given, likely you subtract and write that h value and all. So di by 4 we gives about ui value. So I calculated each and everything also. Whatever di value is there, that I am dividing by 4. So minus 8 divided by 4 I'll get minus 2. Minus 4 divided by 4 minus 1. 0 divided by 4 0. 4 divided by 4 1. 8 divided by 4 2. So after that is over, ui fi. That is whatever the fi I am getting here, already I have marked here fi, that is nothing but that frequency interval. For interval, what is that frequency? That you have to multiply by this ui. So I am multiplying this fi by ui. So 7 into minus 2, minus 14 I am getting. Then minus 1 into 2, so I am getting minus 2. 2 is zeros are 0. 8, okay, 8 ones are 8. Then 1 twos are 2. So this is how you have tried this column. After that is over, then you have to add all this. After adding, here there are minus and plus numbers also there. You know, already integers videos also I release. So minus minus add first. So you will get minus 16. Plus also add. So you will get 10. So minus 16 plus 10. So you will get the answer as minus 6. So then cumulative frequency also, right? Cumulative frequency is nothing but adding this frequency and all. So 7 is there. Starting whatever are the same, right? So 7 plus this 2 you have to add, then write 9. So with 9 add this 2. So then you will get 11. So with 11 this 8 add, then you will get 19. 19 with 1 add, then you will get 20. So what that last number coming, that is sigma fi. So sigma is nothing but adding that last that answer by adding up that cumulative frequency. Last one is 20. So here also you have to find out sigma ui fi, that is nothing but you have to add. That's already I said, minus number plus number separately add. And then finally you find out, because the minus number is greater, minus 16, plus number is only 10 is there, so minus 6 you are getting the answer. So now actually whatever I am explaining is I am just doing by step deviation method. Step deviation method is only very convenient form, okay. So that is what suggested in our textbook also. So better we have to follow this method only. So first what you have to find out, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is also called as average also. Its formula is a plus h into sigma ui fi divided by sigma fi. So a is nothing but assumed mean. I already said assumed mean means the middle midpoint you have to consider as 11. I already written here. So that is what a value I written as 11. Then h value is nothing but I already said here itself 4 we have taken. That means 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 5 also 4, 13 minus 9 also. So that is what h value, that 4 you write here. Then sigma UFI already added here, that minus 6 you substitute here. Sigma Fi value you are getting is 20, that 20 also you write. Now what happens, this 4, 20 if I cancel it, 5 4s are 20 we already know, so 5 we are getting. So 11, so minus 6 divided by 5 you will get it as minus 1.2. Then subtract these two, then you will get 9.8. Next we will go for finding the mode. So how to find the mode actually? Now we have to see here in this column only where we are getting highest frequency. Highest frequency we are getting it as 8. So 8 after considering highest frequency, there in that 8 only what are the class intervals are given? 13 to 17. 8 straight you have to see, 13 to 17. That is what we called as a model class. So model class is 13 to 17 coming for the highest frequency. So highest frequency whatever given, see compared to 7, 2, 8, 1 and all, 8 only is the biggest number. So according to that, that class interval is select. After selecting, so which is the lowest number in that, lower limit is of the model class is 13, because that is the lowest number. Then we already know h equal to 4. Then f1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. Frequency is, so we have taken that highest one is 8, that only 8 you have to write f1. Then f0 is preceding of the model class. Preceding of model class means 8 above that preceding, which one is there? 2. So the 2 you write. Then f2 is nothing but succeeding model class. Succeeding model class means 8 next number. What is it? Another frequency 1. That 1, right? Then we already know the formula. Mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L lower limit already we have studied, that is 13. That 13 you write, plus you put f1 value already I said how to find out. So that 8 right, minus f0 is 2, the 2 you write here, divided by here f1 is 8. So 2 into 8 you will get 16. That's why I directly multiply and writing direct number 16. Then f0 is 2, the 2 also write. Then f2 we are getting it as 1, that 1 also write. Now 8 minus into h value is 4 into 4. This what that value you are getting, that you have to multiply by 4. 8 minus 2, I will get 6. Then 16 minus 2, 14. Again another subtracting by minus 1, you will get 13. So 13 plus 6 by 13 into 4 you are getting. So 4, now after simplifying this, then you will get 13 plus 1.84. Then add this both, then you will get 14.84. Next you have to finding the median. So this how we have to do. So now we have to find out sigma fi. Already sigma fi here only I written as 20. So that what that sigma fi, that is what we called as n also. So that n value you write it here, that is number of observation, that value is equal to 20. Now you find out what is n by 2, that means 20 divided by 2. So you will get 10. After getting 10, then you have to find out again coming to here only. So you have to get where that midpoint 10 is coming, you have to search here. So 3. So 3 plus 7 after adding, then you will get it as, okay. So now you have to get it as 10 is lying in the middle class 9 to 13 only. So why I am just saying means, see here already we have written cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, not this, sorry. So you have to consider about cumulative frequency. First we got 7, then 9. So 10 where it is coming? So here only we are getting. So it is just crossing about 9. So it comes this level. So where that level coming, that class interval you have to consider. So 9 to 13 you are getting. So 9 to 13 only is, we call it as a median class. So 10 is lying in this only because 2 is there, 7 is there, then 9 is there. So 10 is coming here. So that median class you write 9 to 13. So in that, which is a lower median class is 9 only. So that 9 you write. Then cumulative frequency of the preceding class means, so here we got that median class. Above that preceding one, which number is there? 9. So that 9 you write here. Then frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class means here we are getting median class. In that frequency is how much we are getting? So same there you search here. That 2 you write here. Then afterwards writing class width I already said 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 5 4. So like that h we are getting it as 4. Now median formula is L plus h into n divided by 2 minus Cf divided by f. So L value we already know, lower limit I already said, its value I already written here 9, that 9 you write, plus you put h value 4, n by 2 here only we calculated, n by 2 is 10, so 10 you write, minus Cf cumulative frequency of the preceding median class is 9, that 9 write, divided by frequency of the median class is 2 is there, so that 2 you write here. Now 2 with 4 you cancel, then after cancelling you will get it here 2, 10 minus 9 is 1, 2 ones are 2, so 9 plus 2 we are getting, 9 plus 2 added we are getting 11. Now this is how we have to find out. So each anything one they give, or sometimes 2 also, 3 marks, 4 marks also it will come. Then the last one, let us see about relationship between mean, median and mode. So what is the relationship? Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, next I am going to explain about Ogive curve in the statistics only. So this also they are asking for 3 marks question. So how to do? They will give some class interval 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15. Then its frequency also they will give 9, 3, 5, 3, 1. So next step what you have to do? So this cumulative frequency means you already know what starting number is the same, right? Then with that 3 you add, then you will get 12. With 12 you add this 5, 17 you will get. 17 with 3 add, 20 you will get. 20 with 1 add, then 21 you will get. So cumulative frequency you have to write. So this separate one question they will ask. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the graph. How to do? First x-axis and y-axis also. In x-axis you take class interval. Then in the y-axis you take about cumulative frequency. Then here whatever the class intervals are given 3, 6, 9 like that is there. So like that only you take 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and all. Then regarding about cumulative frequency, the numbers are frequency coming it as cumulative frequency 9, 12, 17, 20 and all. So how I have taken is 5, 10, 15 like that I have taken, and you have to write the scale also. Here I have taken in x-axis 3 unit equal to 2 centimeter. That means here 3 is there, another 3 is there, another 3 is there. So 0 to 3 I have taken 2 centimeter. So here also 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Like that you take and write that scale also. Y-axis I am taking it as 5 unit is there here. Then another 5 unit, another 5 unit also. Each and everything I am taking as 1 centimeter. So that also very important you have to write. Afterwards you have to mark this. So here what is the class interval given? 3. For 3 what is the cumulative frequency? 9. So wherever that 3 coming and where that 9 comes, there you mark that point. So next one is 6 and 12. So 6 is class interval, 12 is cumulative frequency. There also you mark. Then 9 is class interval, 17 is cumulative frequency, that also you mark. Then 12 and 20 is given, that also you mark. Then 15 and 21 given, that also mark. After marking, you have to join all this. This is what we call this as a Ogive curve. Okay, next, the last one is solve graphically. So this they will ask for 4 marks question. So they'll give linear equation x minus 2y equal to 0, 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x. So how to do? So 2y you take to other side, that will become plus. So 2y equal to x you will get. So y equal to how much you will get? X divided by, because this 2 goes to other side, x divided by 2 will get. This you consider as equation number 1. So then here also 4y is given. So 4 you transpose to other side. So y equal to 20 minus 3x divided by 4 you'll get. This you consider as equation number 2. So before going for graph, better you solve this, so that we will come to understand what are the numbers you have to select in that boxes and all. So by solving, how we have to solve? So whatever y equal to x by 2 is given in equation number 1, that you substitute in equation number 2. So in the place of y, I am writing it as x divided by 2. So that is equal to whatever given other side, that I return. Now I am just cross multiplying. 4 into x I will get 4. 2 into 20 I will get 40. 2 into minus 3x minus 6x I will get. Then minus 6x bring to other side, that will become plus. 4 and 6 you will get is 10x. 10x equal to 40. So this 10 you divide to other side. So x equal to 40 divided by 10 you will get 4. So x equal to 4 once you are getting. This 4 is substitute in equation number 1. So y equal to, we already know x divided by 2. So x place I am writing it as 4. 4 divided by 2 I will get 2. So x value 4, y equal to 2. So this is what I have to get the answer from graph also. This step first you do first only. So afterwards, now you have to arrange that, put that box and all, very important. So how to put that box, each and every one will have confusion. See here, divided by 2 is there. So whenever divided, what number is the denominator, that multiples only you take. So I have taken 2, then 4, 6, 8. So 2 multiples I have taken, because it is 2, we have to divide. If you take other number, you will get point and all, then that will lead to a lot of confusion for students and all. That is a, seeing the denominator, accordingly write that number. Then once you put 2, so what you will get? X value, y equal to 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. 4 if you take, 4 divided by 2, you will get 2. 6 if you take x value, 6 divided by 2, 3 you will get. 8 if you take 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. So this first equation box is over. For second equation, we already know y equal to 20 minus x. Here what are the denominator number is there? 4. So what I have to select? 4 multiples I have to take. That is 4 multiples I have taken. 4, 8, 12, 16 and all. Then again you substitute value. 4 if I given, 3 4s are 12. 20 minus 12 you will get it as 8. 8 divided by 4, then you will get 2. Okay, so likely if you take an 8, then you will get minus 1. If you take 12, accordingly substitute in this equation, then minus 4 you will get. 16 you will get minus 7. So after you are getting these two boxes, once it is ready, then you have to draw the graph. So x-axis, y-axis you have to draw. You know how to draw the graph. So on the right hand side you will get positive numbers, and here on the left hand side you will get it as minus number, and in the upward you have to write positive numbers, then downward in the y-axis you should write it as minus number. So here if you write x, this is x dash, this is y dash and all. So what I have to do is, I have to see in that number which is the maximum x value number is there. See, maximum number is 16. So I have to take up to 16, isn't it? So 16 I have to take, but because the paper size is very small, I have taken scale as x-axis half centimeter. If I take 1 centimeter, it will go above that paper. And so this we have to, before doing that graph itself, what are the scales we have to select properly. So whether it will be adjusted in that paper or not and all. So I have taken half centimeter. You also just see in your paper whether you are able to do all that graph properly and all. Once half centimeter like that I have taken. So all written up to 16. Then y-axis, here you can see y value is maximum, how much is going, plus side 4, minus side minus 7 coming. So here y-axis I have taken up to 4 is enough, but 1 extra I have taken. Then minus 7. So minus 7 also I have taken up to here y-axis also. Afterwards, now you have to draw. First box, let us see here. 2, x value 2 means y value 1. So 2, 1 wherever coming. So I just marked here. Next one 4, 2 given. So 4 here coming x, y value 2. So here also mark. Then third one is 6 and 3. So there also mark. Fourth one you are getting 8 comma 4. So 8 comma 4 also you mark. That I drawn in a different colors and all. Then for second boxes 4 2 given. So 4 2 here only you are getting. Another value 8 comma minus 1. So that I am getting here plus 8 and minus 1 here. Then third thing, so this is 8 comma minus 1. That also you have to write here. Then the third one is 12 comma minus 4. 12 comma minus 4 is there. So that 12 is here, minus 4 I am getting here. Then the last one is 16 and minus 7. So that also mark all the coordinates also. Marking the coordinates also very important. Then other important thing is whichever that line you are writing, that equation also is right along with that. So this equation for what we have drawn only for this. So that equation is x minus 2y equal to 0. Second graph shows about 4y equal to 20 minus 3x. I have drawn in a different color. So both line where it is intersecting, that is only the solution of the equation. So solution of the equation I am getting it as 4. That you write. Therefore the solution of the graph is x equal to 4, y equal to, see, if you solve it by substitution method, there also you are getting x equal to 4, y equal to 2. So here also we are getting, so we are confirmed about our correct answer and all. This is how we have to do. Okay, so I just explained about the statistics also, how to find out mean, median, mode and all. Then Ogive curves also very important. There also you'll get 3 marks. Then graph also will come as 4 marks and all. So easily you'll get it about 11 to 12 marks. You'll get it by using this only. So I hope this video you'll find it very helpful also. And please watch it and try to share it also. Put a like icon. So I hope it will be very helpful. Thank you for watching.